Let's talk about the latest launched Oppo smartphone A5 Pro with naturally beautiful design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits high brightness mode, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, or AGCDT Star 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide angle camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.1 GHz quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S4G Gen 1, 11 nanometer chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.82 by 75.53 by 7.76, 7.86 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options, mocha brown, olive green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5800 mAh battery, with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo dual speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust-tight and water-resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo A5 Pro has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 10,999 Philippines pesos, while 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 899 Malaysian ringgit. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Oppo A5 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.